A strong company culture is vital for success. When a company's values match those of its employees, it creates an environment where everyone can do well. This teamwork boosts motivation, productivity, and connection, making the workplace better for everyone. Our culture is more than just words, it's the foundation of who we are. It guides our actions and influences our decisions every day. Let's explore how our cultural norms shape our organization and drive us toward success. You have probably heard the saying, culture eats strategy for breakfast. But what does that really mean? Culture is the invisible thread that holds our organization together. It shapes how we act and make choices. Cultural norms guide us on what we support, what we don't, and what we accept as a team. When our culture aligns with our personal values and needs, it creates a strong sense of purpose. This togetherness pushes us toward our common goals and helps our organization succeed. We, as an organization, are also committed to cultivating a strong company culture to drive better results. Let's embrace our culture and work together to make our workplace better for everyone. Remember, culture is all about shared purpose. It shapes how we respond to change, balancing stability and flexibility. In a strong culture, we can adapt while maintaining our core values. It also influences how we interact with one another. We strike a balance between independence and interdependence, knowing when to rely on ourselves and when to support each other. Together, these elements create a vibrant culture that drives us forward, helping us work better as a team and achieve our shared goals. Today, leaders across the world are prioritizing issues they can control, with company culture as their primary focus. By focusing on these challenges, they can make decisions that really drive our organization forward. This way, we can adapt quickly and stay aligned with our goals. When leaders take charge of what they can influence, they empower their teams and create an environment where everyone can thrive. Now, let's take a look at our key cultural pillars. These 4 pillars are the core values that guide us and shape our workplace. They reflect our commitment to excellence, collaboration, and support. Each one plays an important role in building a positive culture where every team member can truly thrive. The first pillar is results, a key cultural foundation that drives our organization forward. We believe that achieving results is not just about meeting targets, but also about the journey we take to get there. Every team member plays a vital role in driving success, and we celebrate both individual and collective achievements. Let's explore what drives our success. Goal clarity. Everyone knows our objectives, guiding our efforts. Role clarity. Each person understands their responsibilities, making teamwork smoother. We set smart goals to keep us focused and motivated. With measuring what matters, we track key metrics that impact our success. We encourage input and new measures because fresh ideas are essential for growth. The 5-second scorecard gives us quick performance updates, keeping us accountable. Our review cadence with CFR. Conversations, feedback, and recognition enhances communication and values every voice. We also focus on measuring behavior. It's about how we work together, not just the outcomes. We strive for productivity, maximizing our efficiency to achieve our goals. Together, These elements create a thriving culture for everyone. The second pillar is caring, and it's essential to our organization. It captures the mutual expectations we hold for one another, creating a supportive environment where everyone can flourish. Let's explore employee expectations from our organization. Transparent culture. We value openness and honesty in all interactions. Positive work environment. We create a supportive atmosphere for well-being and motivation. Clear communication. Direct communication ensures everyone understands their roles. We emphasize learning and development. Access to training and growth resources is essential. Recognition. Acknowledging contributions keeps us motivated. Now, let's look at what we expect from employees as an organization. We value integrity and professionalism. Ethical behavior and a strong work ethic are essential. Collaboration and teamwork are key positive contributions to our team culture, which help us succeed together. We expect compliance. Adhering to policies and regulations maintains a productive workplace. Now, let's talk about the third pillar, learning. Learning is all about how important it is to keep growing and adapting in our lives. With the world changing so quickly, picking up new skills and knowledge is crucial for our personal development, creativity, and resilience. Invest in yourself. Make your own growth a priority. Whether it's taking a class or picking up a new hobby, it all counts. Leverage AI and analytics. Don't shy away from using technology to help you make smarter decisions. It can really give you an edge. Personal development and resourcefulness. Stay adaptable and always be on the lookout for new learning opportunities. 100-gram and 1,000-gram ideas. Think big and small. Both types of ideas can lead to amazing innovations. On-the-job coaching. Look for mentors and guidance in your daily work. Learning from others in real time is super valuable. Improving functional competencies. Focus on enhancing the specific skills that relate to your job. It makes a big difference. Leveraging technology. Embrace all the tools available to boost your productivity. They can really help streamline your workflow. By prioritizing learning, we not only enhance ourselves, but also open up new possibilities for the future. Finally, let's dive into the last important pillar, order. Order is all about the power of structure and organization in our lives and work. When we create clarity and consistency, we can manage tasks more efficiently, cut down on clutter, and boost our productivity. Here are the key points to keep in mind. Follow defined SOPs. Everyone sticks to the standard operating procedures, guiding our processes smoothly. Time management. Everyone masters their time, prioritizing tasks to boost productivity. Respecting others' time. We value consideration by being punctual, creating a positive atmosphere for all. Data-based decisions. We rely on data for our choices, leading to smarter decisions and better outcomes. IIY, invest in yourself. We make time for personal growth, recognizing it as a key investment in our future. Weekly reviews, OKRs. We dedicate time each week to check our objectives and key results, keeping us on track. Mediocrity intolerance. We strive for excellence in everything we do. Mediocrity isn't part of our culture. Speed without compromising on quality. We move quickly while ensuring quality, striking the perfect balance for great results. In conclusion, let's remember that a strong company culture is the backbone of our success. When our values align, we create an environment where everyone thrives, boosting motivation, productivity, and connection. At HEPL Group of Companies, our culture isn't just a set of principles, it's the foundation that guides our actions and decisions every single day. So, let's embrace our culture, take charge of what we can control, and work together to create a workplace that inspires us all. Thank you.